want a bag, I want a bag too. Yeah. She want it bad, I want it bad too. Yeah. Plant a seed and watch that bag bloom. I'm blowing up, watch that bag boom. Getting dirty, sipping muddy in that.
Hey you guys, it's Jonae KyOshee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I have a different kind of video. Today I'm going to be transferring from my old wallet to my new wallet planner. This is really for a planner, but I'm going to change it to a wallet. If you are curious, stay tuned. But before you stay tuned, make sure you guys like my video, comment down below, and subscribe right here. And let's get right into this video. Let's go. All right, so this is, I picked this up from Office Depot, I think it's called, and this is a daytime undated starter set. So it is meant for a planner. It's a 12 undated monthly tabs, 3 months of daily and weekly planning, vinyl zip pouch, notepad, and more, address, phone, and tabs. But I am turning this into a wallet today. So let's open it. Let's take off this paper. I'm too heavy-handed. Should definitely have cut this at scissors. I'll cut the extra stuff off. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I made some envelopes for it. So this is what it comes with. It comes with a little planner set. And I also like that it came with some card holders, and it also comes with a little pouch of its own, the notepad. But I'm going to take these out because I will not be using this as a planner. But this is really cute if you guys need a planner on the go. This is it. This is really cute. So let's take these out. Okay, that is out. I'm actually going to use these, so I'm going to take these out for right now. So this is going to be my new wallet. So before I get started, I have these business card adhesive pockets, and there's 20 of them. I'll put the prices on the screen. And then I made some envelopes because I do budgeting, and this is why I got it. So this will be for my budgeting. I have Jonae KyOshee, self-care, gasoline, groceries, hold on, restaurants, and entertainment. So let's add those in there. So this is going to be first. Wait, I actually think I want to add, so this can be like a miscellaneous little pocket. So this is going to go in there first. This came with it. So here we go. And I'm going to transfer everything from my old wallet into my new. Entertainment is going to go right here. And with these, I'm going to, if there's change, I'm just going to put it in the pouch, and then on cash envelope stuffing day, I will take them out. So there we go. And then restaurants. I clearly did not take out the little holes. Maybe I should have done that. But it's okay. Restaurants. There we go. Ooh, I'm loving this already. Groceries. I think this planner was $20. I think. I'm gonna put it on the screen though. I had a lot of vinyl, so I'm like, let me just, you know. It's not so cute on the outside. I think it's cute, but it's like cute with this little vinyl party on the inside. I think it's cute though, so. I'm a tomboy, so it don't bother me. I like the fact that it zips, so my money is secure. So there we go. It's a little snug. Because I don't have the little, didn't pop out the little gasoline, self-care. See when they're already popped out? Oh, there we go. Self-care, and then Jonae KyOshee. There we go. There we go, baby. And then for the front, I am going to have some ID card holders in the front. And for my ID, for my driver's license, I'm going to put a business card pocket on the front. I've never used these before, so I hope they work. There was only one more after I took one, so I'm like, these must be good if they're all gone. That's how I go buy things, so let's get one of these. And then remember, it comes with 20. So they look like this. Oh, it is sticky. Wait, do I have to put the 2? No. Okay, I don't. Okay. Okay, I'm right-handed, so I could just slide it in. Oh, it's really sticky. I like that. Okay. Sorry, y'all, I'm a little perfectionist. This is gonna be for my driver's license, so I could easily take it in and out. Ooh, nice. So the little pocket, and it's stuck on there really good. Ooh, I like that. So I think I'm gonna keep the little notepad because I like that. It came like this, but if I don't, it actually just slides out like that. Ooh, and there's a pin loop. I was looking for that. I thought I had to get one, but there's already. So then go to my wallet, my old wallet, and we're gonna transfer. So this is my, let's transfer. I'm gonna transfer all the money, and then my cards, I'm gonna do that off camera. So Jona'e, KyOshee. I don't think I have any money. Let's see. Oh, maybe I will have a change pocket because I was so used to having one. So getting all my money. So I do have money in here. Let's transfer everything. Jona'e, KyOshee. Done. Ooh. Self-care. I used to call it beauty, but self-care I feel like is so. I have $11 in there, and I'm going to put it in self-care. Gas has money in here, and I called it gasoline now. So gasoline. Here we go. Next is groceries. We just spent some money, so yeah, here's receipts. Get all the receipts. We need to go grocery shopping, so. Have to get back used to these pouches. But this is really cute. This is so cute. Groceries is done. Entertainment doesn't have any money. And then, so restaurants and entertainment do not have any money if I'm not mistaken. And the pin loop, because I have a pin loop, I'm going to transfer this pin into this one. And I think I'm going to put my change in here because I have a lot of extra loose change. This came with it, so I might put some vinyl in there too. So get all my change from my other one. Got all my change falling. And voila. I feel like, do I have one more? Yes, I do. Okay. Then I think I have some miscellaneous things I like to keep in my wallet. Like I like to keep a card reader and usually my key for my safe. So I might just keep this in there too, or put another pouch for those, but for right now I'm just gonna put that in there for right now. And then I just need to transfer my IDs and my cards, my gift cards, any cards into here. Oh, this is so cute. Let me see if I have anything else to transfer. I don't think I have anything else to transfer to show on camera. So that is all. I transferred my wallet into this. I like it. It's not too big for me. It zips. I like the fact that my money is secure. It might be too big for other people, but this is my hand, so this is how big it is. I did get this from Office Depot. I think that's called that. I don't know. But I like it, and then it probably looks manly. Open it, and bam, there's a party on the inside with these little cute letters. So that was me transferring my wallet, my old wallet, to my new wallet. This will be my new cash envelope stuffing wallet. If you like my video, make sure you guys like it. Comment down below and subscribe. Please be subscribed. I do giveaways. I'm Jonae KyOshee. I am so thankful and grateful for you guys for clicking this video. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Goodbye.
Vega wins.